पर्यावरण मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान शेनवारा गोवा एनवायरमेंटल फिल्म फेस्टिवलाचें उक्तावण केलें. हो फिल्म फेस्टिवल 3, 4 आनी 5 तारखेक जातलो. तशेंच ह्या फिल्म फेस्टिवलांत वट्ट 50 फिल्मां दाखयतले. फक्त भारतांतलेच न्हय जाल्यार भायल्या देशांतले लेगीत फिल्मांचो ह्या फेस्टिवलांत आस्पाव आसतलो. गोंयकारांनी ह्या फेस्टिवलाचो आस्वाद घेवचो अशें आवाहन मंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार केलें.
To almost 1 hour, 1.5 hours. And in this, they bring and highlight the issues of every place where they want to focus on. And I'm sure with their learnings, we as a government, I know that ultimately the last buck is on the government. But as people, we also should be participating in this moment. And I'm sure with the help of all you lovely people here, who will put in their efforts also in conserving the environment from the theme this year for plastic menace. And I'm sure these films, wherever they are made or whatever they want to highlight on which you are going to watch, they will have a lot of meaning, deep thought in yourself. And I'm sure that with these results, we'll be able to do much better for Goa. With a few words, I thank the International film festival, which we call it, the Environment Film Festival. It is the first one this year, and I'm sure with the help of all the G20 countries, including India and Goan filmmakers, we want to make this an annual event so that Honorable Dr. Pramod Sawant, who is the Chief Minister, has expressed his desire to, when I spoke to him, that this has to be an annual event in not only finding good films to be watched, but also for the young filmmakers of Goa and India, where maybe we will have something for them in line to bring in good films, so that the youngsters today, who is the future of this state and the country, who can make a difference in the society, can be looked on and can be seen as a future generation who will make an impact on the lives of the people who try, because everybody is not the same focus. Everybody does not have that focus on conserving energy. I remember the Honorable Prime Minister's words always. He says, if I means myself, I do not throw garbage, and who will throw the garbage? So if all the I's decide, and that is why when we say youngsters have to be more involved, is for the making the young ones realize, those who have not realized that an I word makes a difference. And if I do not litter, then who will litter? That's the question what we all have to ponder on. And with all eyes here today, I feel that these eyes will make more eyes to look into what they can do to the state and the country by itself and the world by itself.